Hello. Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use the measure tool in Blender. Let's get started the lecture. The measure tool is used to measure distances and angles. In order to activate the measure tool, let's click on the measure tool icon from the left toolbar. Then, hold down left click, and drag the mouse to define the start and end point of the ruler. We can add multiple rulers in the viewport. In order to select any ruler, we can click on the endpoints of the ruler. We can delete the ruler by pressing Delete key. In order to move the endpoints of any ruler, go over the endpoints, so the mouse cursor will convert into the moving icon. Hold down left click and drag the mouse. While moving, we can enable snapping to vertices, edges or faces by holding Ctrl key. A small circle appears when the endpoints is snapped to a vertex or edge. So, we can place the endpoints onto the mesh accurately, and measure distances. While moving, we can hold down Shift, and measure the distance between faces. This works well only parallel faces. So, we can measure the wall thickness. In order to measure angle between two edges or faces, click on the any point between endpoints. So, it will convert into angle meter. Move this point to set the vertex of the angle. Holding down Ctrl enables snap to edges and vertices. Move the endpoints to change the angle size. We can also change the color of the ruler. To do that, hit the N key and open the right toolbar. Click on the View tab, and go down to Annotations section. Select the Ruler Data 3D layer, and unhide the layer in the viewport by pressing I icon. Let's increase the thickness of the ruler, and change the color of the ruler as you want. We can also change the opacity of the ruler. We can also change the measurement units. To do that, click on the Scene Properties tab, switch the metric to imperial. As you can see, length measurement converts into feet from the meters automatically. We can also change the degrees to radians. In the Edit mode, we can display edge length, edge angle, face area and face angle. To do this, press Tab key to switch to Edit mode. Click on the Viewport Overlays menu, go down to Measurements section, and enable any measurement you want to display. For example, select the any edge, enable the edge length. So we can see the length of the selected edge. Or, select the any face, and enable the face area. In this case, it will measure the selected face area. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.